Alright, here's Zsa Zsa Gabor and a Rolls Royce, and we're going to take a walk around this way. Come here, Zsa Zsa. Let's see this Rolls Royce. Look at this thing. Wow, this is a beautiful blue color. Look at the grill. I'll try to do a nice long video for this for everybody here. Zsa Zsa, what do you think? What do you think of the Rolls Royce? You like it? Alright, let's check it out. Zsa Zsa, you gonna come with? You don't want to walk around? Okay, stay there. Let's take a look on the inside of the car. Zsa Zsa? This is an amazing car. I don't know what to say about it, but please like and subscribe. And let me know what you think of this car. This is cool. So Princess Diana actually rode in this car. We're at Casa, Loma in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And yeah, this is just a beautiful car. I don't know anything about cars. This one has 4 wheels. My dog has 4 paws. That's what all I can tell you. There's the back seat. I'm gonna guess that's all the original interior. I don't know. Here's the wheels. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you know anything about this. Firestone. There you go. There's the tires. There's Casa Loma. Special limited edition Rolls Royce, I guess. You got Josh over there. Alright. So please like and subscribe. And yeah, we can see more of this Rolls Royce and Zsa Zsa Gabor. Thank you.